Hey, it's me, Hermint. If you don't like screaming, because there's gonna be me screaming in this video, keep looking for a video like BFDI or any channel you like. So, bye, bye, bye. Go on, go on. I'm gonna be screaming. Go on. Yeah, yeah. Anyone who likes screaming, follow me. Follow me to your destiny. So, this is my first scream, which is the so come here. Okay. That was kind of embarrassing. That was kind of embarrassing, by the way. Anyways. Okay. So, this is the little squeal. So, here you go. So, yeah. That was the squeal. Now, here's the I'm frustrated scream. My mic. So this is the best one, okay? This is just the screaming into the mic one. Did you like that one? Was it loud, scary, or comforting? When you went to sleep like 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. You're just like, yeah. So, if you really like that, give it a like. If you lied, I will come to your house and then steal your Barbies and watch Dora without you. Anyways, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Those are all my screams. Here's just one more. Kermit rules. What is my name? Hermit. Hermit rules. Okay. Bye-bye now. Shoo. This video's over. Shoo.